Hi, Miller.
I'm going to do a similar song.
Okay, I'm watching you. Whoa. Whoa! Good one! Alright, you okay?
Yeah.
Yay. Show me your other trick with your tongue. Can you roll your tongue? You can! Whoa, Miller. That was a good one. Whoa! You can do them like crazy. Holy cow. Hey, where are you going? Hi. Taking your video. Can you read me a book? I'm big. Can you read me that book?
See?
Miller, what does A-L-E-X read?
I don't know.
A-L-E-X.
I don't know.
What about M-I-L-L-E-R?
B.
So what is A-L-E-X?
Guy.
At your school.
Alex.
Alex. How about N-A-T-H-A-N?
Now it's done.